Here's a quick walkthrough on how to make a roll. Get a softball size of rice, lay it across the top, press down, and then you're gonna spread it around, get the missing pieces, wipe the cutting board with a damp paper towel. We're gonna put a couple of slices of avocados in there, along with a little bit of tuna. I used bluefin tuna, but you could also use yellowfin tuna or big eye tuna. Also some cucumber sticks, roll it up, rice on the outside, make sure you get the corners. I put a little shiso ohba on top there. We're laying down some white fish, which is Japanese sea bream for this particular roll. We're gonna use a plastic sheet just to hold everything in place and then shape it with the makisu. We're gonna cut it in 8 pieces, and it's wipe there, makisu to shape it again. And here we're gonna put the whole thing down and shift it into a diagonal way so you can kind of see the insides and top. Putting down a little bit of ginger and also a little ball of wasabi. Then we're gonna top it off with a yuzu juice, which is a yuzu citrus juice. And here I use a yuzu kosho, which is a citrus and pepper paste. It's a nice, delicious paste. Here I like to use a Maldon sea salt that has a little bit of furikake in it. And just top it off there. And there you have it. That's the Yuzu Citrus and Shiso Roll with Japanese sea bream, tuna, avocado, cucumber.